Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to transfer Google Chrome data to the Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you're trying to import important data files from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo lang dito yung 3-dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, dito lang sa profile and then dito sa right side ay select mo lang dito yung import browser data. So click mo lang ito. And then next ay makikita mo kagad dito yung import browser data and have all your credentials saved in Microsoft Edge. Dito lang sa baba niya ay makita mo dito yung import data from Google Chrome. Ang pwede nating i-import dito ay bookmarks, password history, and other browser data from Google Chrome. And then next ay kailangan mo na i-click tong import. And then pop-up ito ang import browser data, import from Google Chrome. And then choose what to import. So sili ka lang dito kung anong gusto mo i-import. Kung favorites bookmark, save password, personal info, payment info, browsing history, settings, open tabs, and extensions. So check mo lang dito. Or kung gusto mo naman uncheck, pwede naman siyang ganyan. Okay, and then next ay click mo lang itong import data. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-transfer ng Google Chrome data to Microsoft Edge. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.